Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm very excited today to bring you our September lineup for the shop. So we have made all of these items available. And I say available, they are showing us out of stock and they are showing us coming soon. We are going to launch these next Saturday. So next weekend they're going to be launched to purchase, but we have made them all available as a coming soon so that you can see a little bit more information about each item, the price of each item, etc. But the key point is you can sign yourself up to the wait list for that item so that we send out an automatic, we click a button and the website does its stuff and sends out an email to everybody that's asked to be notified of an item coming into stock, which means no matter what time zone you're in, we're not pinning anything down to a time, we just know we're launching it next Saturday. And we are based in the UK, so it could be a different time zone for you. So signing up to that wait list will enable us to send you an email. Now, we do know some people haven't received the emails in relation to previous ones, which is why we're also telling you what day they're going to launch, and all we can suggest is that you do put check your junk and do try and add our email address to your favourites list so that email has the best chance of getting through to you, whether it be on your phone, your computer or whatever else. But the email it will come from is admin@morezest.com. Anyway, on to the actual goodies. So we do have sort of 5 different things that we are launching this September. We're excited for October as well, but let's get excited for September first. So one of the things we have been asked for is the larger rings that people use for the likes of the logbook. So for example, this logbook is pretty full. It all flows. I can turn all the pages. I can get to everything that I need to in it. But I know some people do record, for example, every single painting that they have. I haven't quite got to the point yet where I've done them all, but the rings are, they're a decent size, but they are getting full. I have added extras into here from the one that you purchased, so they're getting full. And the likes of this, which is probably a few more pages than what I've already got, we are using the bigger rings. So we do have the option to purchase just the bigger rings if you have the logbook or the to-do list, but it's starting to get full. Then we've got the bigger rings. So as you can see, these are the smaller ones that are used in the logbook and the to-do list, and these are the bigger ones that we have available. So you can keep adding those pages. They will come in a set of 8, which is how many are used for the likes of the logbook and the to-do list. Okay, so that's sort of a little add-on that people have asked for. We have also brought out an Add More Zest 2022 planner, which hopefully people will actually get to use a planner and get out and about more in 2022. We've kept things fairly basic, but also added, a little bit of us in it. We do have a bookmark that comes with it. This is removable. We have a monthly reminders list. So maybe you have, something, I don't know, maybe your MOT for your car, or you need to get tax for your car, or every few months something happens that you want as a quick reminder. We've got that. Then we do have important dates, so that could be birthdays, anniversaries, all that sort of stuff. We then go into a monthly calendar. So we've got the quick overview where you can add in, say, things like birthdays, on holiday, that sort of stuff, with note lists down the side. We do have that for, of course, each and every month. You will see that there's different colours showing in each month, and they do match up to our weekly. So this is your main weekly planner, and for this we have, so the colour starting for January is blue. There is quotes for each and every week. We've got the dates all in there ready for you to be able to plan your life. And of course, as we go into another month, we've got the end of January is blue, February is green. So there's plenty of space to write or not write. You can add stickers if that's what you prefer. But you can use this to organise your life. We all like a bit of good organisation. This is done on the same system as the likes of our to-do list and our diamond painting logbook. So you could combine these. We sell the sheets for the to-do list, for example, separately. You could add those in to your planner if you use a to-do list occasionally but don't need a full book of lists. You can interchange them about as you wish, because they do all come out and then they do all go back in. It's called the disc bound system. Absolutely love the disc bound system. So we have all the way up for 2022. We are also going to add, and I've just realised we haven't actually added it in this one because this is hot off the press. We are also going to add 5 notebook pages to the back, and they will be in the listing. They will look similar to this. They'll just add more zest on the bottom. Just some lined pages so that you can write down anything else that you need. And we will be looking to add more options of things in the future that maybe, you know, some people will want but not everybody will want. So the likes of budgets, things like that, not everybody records that, but we want to keep, you know, a quick reminder so people can write birthdays, as say things to do with the car, anything really important that they sort of need to be aware of each time they open the planner. So the bookmark does move, so when it comes to being the end of January, you can move this to your current week so that you've always got quick reference to the week of the month that it is, and you can go straight there. And yeah, we love our little planner. I can't wait to start using that. In addition, we have our tray for September. We have gone bright. We have a bright yellow tray as our tray for September. This is in the big size. Again, this one is definitely limited stock. So once the stock of this tray has sold through, we will not be getting this colour back until potentially in a year or so, if we've gone through the colours and we start going through them again. That's sort of the way it works with the monthly trays. We do have 3 standard diamond painting tray colours that are always available, which is the white, grey and the pink. But this is a limited edition yellow tray. Nice and bright for September. You know, last month that the sun might be about. And then we have 2 new items that I'm rather excited about. So one, I have already started using mine. This is our cover paper holder. So if anybody knows or has watched my channel for a while, I do use cover paper sheets on my diamond paintings. I take off the clear cover and I use these instead. They are reusable, so they are constantly coming off and on paintings. So I like to have a holder. This is my new cover paper holder. So it holds them in both sides. I can put 2 different lots of cover paper in there. When I've taken a sheet off my painting to do a section, I can just slip it in here. But what I also like is you can use the likes, I've done it in a tip before. It's not been in one of my new tips and tricks yet, but I have done it in a video about working with a square diamond painting. And quite often you can use the likes of a gift card, or in this case a club card, to line it across the bottom of your diamond painting to help you get a straight line, because you can put your diamonds up against it. And what we like about this cover paper holder is you can hold a couple in there. So if you've got some old gift cards that have all been used up, this nice tough material, just pop them inside your cover paper holder so they are ready to grab, to start off your painting, and somewhere to hold your cover sheets. And these will fit the cover sheets that we sell in the shop. So they fit that size. All sizing details will of course be on the description. And they have a beautiful little diamond in the corner, because we're diamond painters after all. And then lastly, but by no means least, we have our Add More Zest pouch. This is a handy, go-to for the likes of diamond painting tools. Maybe you want to store just diamonds in it. Maybe you want to use it to store your spare diamonds. It will fit our tray, so it will fit the tray. If I grab a pen, it will fit your diamond painting pen. You might want to pop in it some wax. I mean, that's hardly got any in it, but a little wax pot, anything like that to keep it all together. Maybe you're going on a trip and you want to be able to take your diamond painting tools. Maybe you want to use it for storing your spare diamonds, for example. So I've got a pouch here that's got diamonds in it. Maybe you want to use it for that, or maybe the leftovers for a painting so that you can keep them together. Multiple uses, and I'm sure you guys will come up with more uses than I can list today, because you're amazing. It does come with a wrist strap, so it is ideal if you do need to take it with you. You've got the option to, carry it about. Could just be used as a big fat pencil case. This is made of cotton, so it's nice and durable. It actually feels really quite soft as well. So I'm going to have multiple uses for these. So there you go. That is, if I can get hold of these rings, because they're in lots, we'll have to get them corralled into something. These are our releases for September. Do please let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on these new items, what you can see yourself using them for, especially if you're using them for something different to what I've already mentioned. I love hearing your guys' ideas. It often spurs me on to use it in a way that somebody else has stated. But yeah, let me know your comments down below. Of course, feel free to discuss on our Facebook group as well what you thought. We've gone for a little bit of a different colour this month, which I'm hoping you guys will embrace as much as the other months. And yeah, I'm excited. So get yourself over to addmorezest.com. These items will be showing as available for you to see further information. They'll be showing as coming soon and out of stock, but they will be visible on the website. So you can sign yourself up to the email notification list if you are interested for when they become available to buy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.